Now we're going to talk about parsing rules, part two. Part two has to do with linking verbs or statement being verbs. This tells how something is. Linking verbs are am, is, are, was, were. You can see how they're going to work in the following sentences. In the last meeting is the prepositional phrase. How do I know it's a prepositional phrase? It begins with a preposition and it ends with the object, a noun. So now I've gotten rid of this part. My odds are already better to find the subject and the verb. Well, I'm looking, and unruly looks like a verb to me. I mean, somebody's unruly, they're doing something. Could that be it? No, it could not, because was is the verb. It's the linking verb. Am, is, are, was, were. If it's used by itself, it is the main verb of a sentence. If I say was singing, then it's just an auxiliary verb or a helping verb, like the fire department has an auxiliary that does bake sales. All right, so here's was. Was is the verb. Who or what was? Sam was. Sam is the subject. Was is the linking verb. And unruly is what's called a subject complement. Now, complement here does not mean, oh, you look nice today, because it is spelled with an E. It means completer, like a whole complement of soldiers. So now if I look, Sam and unruly are the same. They are linked with the word was. If I would say Sam petted the dog, dog and Sam are definitely different. They're not the same. These are the same. A subject complement tells you about Sam. Let's look at the other sentence. On the steps, a prepositional phrase starts with a preposition, ends with a noun, which is the object. Now I have to find a verb. Well, none of them look like verbs. None of those words do. But because I know am, is, are, was, were, I know that is the verb. So I underline is twice and I say who or what is. Mary is. Mary's the subject. And what are all these other words? Well, we learned before that a, and the are articles. So this is going to be an adjective because a and the are always adjectives. They're describing words. Now, only or student, what's that going to be? Is what? Is only? Is student? I think so. So student is going to be the subject complement. That means that Mary and student are the same. They're not different. If I said Mary is cooking, that wouldn't work. But Mary is the only student. Student and Mary are the same. They are linked. That's why they're called linking verbs, because it links the subject with the subject complement. So now you know a little bit about how to find subjects and verbs as well as direct objects and subject complements.